Hi, I'm Swathi from Indiahikes. Many trekkers call us and ask us, your trek fee is higher than other trekking organizations, and why is it so? Now, I want to be very straightforward here. There are a few things that you will see at Indiahikes which you will not see in any other trekking organization. The first is the experience itself, which is very particularly designed at Indiahikes. So when you go on a trek with Indiahikes, you're really not going from Camp A to Camp B and making it to the summit. What I can tell you, write it down and tell you, even if you just trek for 3 hours with Indiahikes, you'll come back with a richer experience than actually going to a summit with anyone else. This is because of the way our trek is designed. There is a lot of mindful activities and experience conducted during the trek. Our trek leaders are professional outdoor facilitators who can actually help you feel more connected to yourself and help you feel more connected to nature. The second reason is safety. Now you'll notice that Indiahikes is known to be the safest trekking organization in India, and there is a reason for this. In the mountains, there are no better safety experts than Indiahikes trek leaders and the Indiahikes team. Whether it is our people, our processes, our equipment, our protocols are watertight, and so much so that other organizations come to Indiahikes when there is an emergency situation. This is the level of safety that our team gives our trekkers, and that's a small price you pay for a very, very large benefit. The third reason is that we want Indiahikes trekkers to have a premium experience in the mountains. And even though we haven't put a premium tag on it, you will notice this in the quality of the experience. Right from the time you reach the base camp, you're staying at these beautiful community campuses that our team has made and not in cramped lodges. On the trek, you're using expedition grade equipment which is made to order by Indiahikes for Indiahikes. And the next thing is the food that you eat is all freshly prepared. Our team has actually designed the menu to make sure that you have a healthy and nutritious meal on the trek. There are a lot of other factors like this, whether it's the hygiene, the toilet systems that we've brought about, the sustainability angle that is there across the organization. All of these make Indiahikes experience a very premium one. So overall, if you ask me, the trek fee that we have is very marginally higher than others. In fact, many trekkers come back and tell us that we must increase our trek fee, but we will never veer in that direction because for us, our philosophy is that everyone must trek. And right from day one till now, we've been trying our best to keep our trek fee as low as possible, just so we can actually run Indiahikes as an organization. So that has always been our philosophy, and that is why the trek fee, you may notice, is slightly higher for a few treks. I hope this answered your question today. I'm Swathi from Indiahikes.